Did we accidentally capture an alien creature living on Venus? Don't scroll away. This isn't just clickbait. This is what actual interplanetary scientists have claimed. In 1982, the Soviet probe Venera 13 landed on Venus. It survived for exactly 127 minutes in a 470 degrees Celsius hellscape. But before it died, it took a picture. In this image, right next to the lander, there is an object about 6 centimeters long. It looks eerily like a scorpion. But here is the chilling part. 93 minutes later, in another photo, that scorpion was gone. 30 years later, the lead Russian scientist who reviewed these photos published a shocking paper claiming Venus could have life. The scientific world was stunned. Some said he was just old and seeking attention. But no one could definitively explain it. What exactly was in that picture? And where did it go? Today, I'm going to tell you the whole truth about the madness of the Soviet Venus program. Let's get one thing straight. Contrary to popular belief, the most Earth-like planet in the solar system is not Mars. It's Venus. Venus is 95% the size of Earth, with 90% of its gravity. Scientists even call it Earth's twin sister. But this sister went terribly wrong. The surface temperature is 470 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth. Standing there would feel like being crushed 900 meters underwater. And those clouds? They aren't made of water. They are pure sulfuric acid. It literally rains battery acid that eats through metal. It is, by definition, hell on a planetary scale. So why was the Soviet Union so determined to go there? In 1961, the space race began. While the Americans aimed for the moon, the Soviet Union made a baffling decision. They went after Venus. The official reason was that it was the closest planet. But the real reason was much bolder. Scientists theorized that hiding beneath those thick clouds were oceans and life. Finding the first extraterrestrial life would be the greatest discovery in human history, even bigger than walking on the moon. But Venus was 1,000 times deadlier than they thought. The first few probes either lost contact, crashed, or died before transmitting anything. In 1967, Venera 4 transmitted data for 93 minutes before being crushed like a tin can by the massive pressure. The data confirmed one thing. Venus was not a twin, it was a monster. Yet, the Soviet Union did not give up. In 1970, Venera 7 successfully